So what makes juicing such an effective tool for weight loss and detoxification? Well, let's start by talking about metabolism. Certain fruits and vegetables, such as grapefruit, lemon, and celery, are known to boost our metabolic rate. This means that our bodies become more efficient at burning calories, leading to weight loss. These ingredients are common in many juice recipes, providing that zesty, refreshing flavor we all love. Next, we have digestion. Fruits and vegetables are packed with dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps us feeling full and satisfied. Although juicing removes a portion of this fiber, the remaining soluble fiber is easily absorbed by the body, promoting healthy gut bacteria and aiding in weight loss. Then there's detoxification. Our bodies naturally detoxify through the liver, kidneys, and skin, but certain fruits and vegetables can give this process a little boost. Beets, for instance, are high in compounds called betalains, which have been shown to provide antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and detoxification support. Similarly, cruciferous vegetables like kale and broccoli are rich in sulforaphane, a potent antioxidant that aids in detoxification. Finally, let's not forget about hydration. Most fruits and vegetables are high in water content, so juicing can be an excellent way to up your hydration levels, which is crucial for maintaining healthy bodily functions and aiding in weight loss. So in a nutshell, juicing provides us with an easily digestible and nutrient-dense drink that helps boost our metabolism, aid in digestion, support detoxification, and keep us hydrated. The best part, it's all natural and can be tailored to your personal taste. Now that we understand the science behind it, I'll share some of my favorite juice recipes that you can try at home. If you find this video useful so far, don't forget to subscribe. The Green Detoxifier. This refreshing blend of cucumber, spinach, apple, and ginger is not only tasty, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. The star of this juice, cucumber, is composed of about 95% water, making it an excellent choice for hydration. Plus, it's low in calories and high in fiber, which aids in weight loss by keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Next, we have spinach. Don't underestimate these little leaves. They are rich in iron and packed with plant-based proteins. The iron content helps maintain energy levels, while the proteins are beneficial for muscle health. The apple in our juice recipe adds a hint of natural sweetness, masking the taste of veggies for those who aren't big fans. Apples are also rich in dietary fiber and can help regulate your blood sugar levels. Finally, we have ginger, a natural metabolism booster. It also aids in digestion and can help with nausea and inflammation. Now, you might be wondering, why juice? Why not just eat these fruits and vegetables? Well, juicing allows your body to absorb the nutrients more efficiently and gives your digestive system a little break. Not to mention, it's a convenient way to consume your daily servings of fruits and veggies. So how about giving this recipe a try? It's simple. Juice 1 medium-sized cucumber, a handful of spinach, 1 apple, and a small piece of ginger. Blend until smooth, and there you have it. Your green detoxifier is ready to serve. Enjoy it first thing in the morning to kickstart your day with a nutrient-rich boost. Remember, consistency is key. So I challenge you to try this juice recipe for a week and observe the positive changes in your body. It's not just about losing weight, it's about embracing a healthier lifestyle. So are you ready to take the plunge into the world of juicing? If you enjoyed the previous recipe, I have a few more for you to try. First up, let's explore the invigorating Green Detox Delight. This juice is an incredible blend of kale, cucumber, green apples, celery, and a hint of ginger. Kale, as we know, is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with vitamins A, K, and C. Cucumbers, on the other hand, are wonderfully hydrating, while green apples offer a sweet, tangy balance to the mix. Celery brings in a subtle saltiness, and ginger, a little zing to wake up your taste buds. This green juice is more than a refreshing drink. It's a detox agent, helping to cleanse your body and boost your metabolism. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more tropical, the pineapple sunrise might be the one for you. This juice combines the juicy sweetness of pineapples with the citrusy punch of oranges and the mild earthiness of carrots. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Oranges, they're all about that vitamin C, and carrots offer a good dose of beta-carotene. This vibrant, sunny juice not only tastes like a tropical vacation, but also aids in digestion and boosts your immune system. Lastly, we have the Beetroot Blast. This juice is a blend of beetroot, apples, lemon, and a touch of fresh mint. Beetroot has been celebrated for its ability to support liver detoxification, while apples add a natural sweetness. Lemon adds a tangy twist and mint brings in a refreshing aftertaste. This juice is a nutritional powerhouse, supporting liver health and aiding digestion. Incorporating these juice recipes into your daily diet can offer a wealth of health benefits. You could kickstart your day with the green detox delight, enjoy the pineapple sunrise as a mid-morning pick-me-up, and unwind in the evening with the beetroot blast. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results from these juice recipes. So make them a part of your routine and witness the transformative power of nature's bounty. So there you have it, my favorite juice recipes for weight loss and detoxing. We've journeyed through the science behind juicing, how it aids in weight loss and detoxification, and even explored some delicious nutrient-packed recipes. But remember, these juices are not a magic potion. They're a part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. They're tools to assist you on your wellness journey, not the entire journey itself. Exercise regularly, eat healthily, stay hydrated, and get enough sleep. These are all crucial elements to a healthier you. Now, I'd love for you to try these recipes. Experiment with them, create your own variations, and discover what works best for your body. This is your journey. Make it unique to you, and when you do, share your experiences with us. We learn and grow together in this wellness journey. I encourage you to incorporate these juices into your routine. Don't forget to share your experiences and any new recipes you come up with. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Remember, your journey to a healthier you starts with a single sip. Cheers to your health.